Welcome back to the channel. I'm not gonna say y'all should like, share, and subscribe. If y'all wanna do it, y'all do it. So the only problem I got with the Skytech Blaze is the RAM. Bear in mind I got this PC now for over 4 months. So it came with two DDR4 RAMs and one of them stopped working. Reasons for that could be because I overclocked my PC for like 4 days and then I stopped doing it because I read something that say if you overclock your PC you're gonna damage your hardware stuff like your graphics card, your RAM, CPU. So I stopped doing it. So that could be the reason, or it could just be a bad RAM that they put in the CPU that blow out like after 4 months. So that could be the reason. So when one of my RAMs wasn't working, I have this display issue. So everything would turn on, like my fan, my graphics card, everything was turning on, but I wasn't seeing anything on my monitor. So after I fixed, like I checked everything, take out one of the RAM, the bad RAM, um, everything started working now. It started working good. It started turning on and everything. I'm seeing everything on the monitor. So yeah, hopefully this video help y'all, man. This is just to inform y'all if y'all buy the Skytech Blaze 3.0. This may happen to you. So it's just like heads up just to let y'all know. I do monthly updates. So I'm gonna keep doing this every month. Just to give you an update like what the PC is going on with, how it's performing, what is it doing and stuff, if it stopped working or not. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video, man.